Hi, friends and family. Happy Father's Day. Thanks for coming to my channel, and I hope you're gonna enjoy when I'm making Ethiopian kaiwad stew, which is my favorite and my husband's favorite too. And I want to say Happy Father's Day to all fathers and parents out there. And I really like to say thank you for coming to this channel. Yeah, happy Father's Day, and special dedication to my dad, Kifle Adara, and then my darling husband, Azmarot Teshome. So enjoy the video. እሺ ወገኖቼ እንዴት ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ? ሰላም ናችሁ? አማን ነው? እንዴት እያከበራችሁ ነው ፋዘርስ ዴይ? እርግጠኛ ነኝ ብዙዎቻችሁ ያው ትላንት ነው የሚሆነው፣ እኛ ጋር ደግሞ ዛሬ ነው። ላይክ ትላንት ቅዳሜ ኢትዮጵያ ስለነበር ማለት ነው። እና ደግሞ እኛ እንግዲህ ቤት ያፈራነው እየሰራን ነው። ቀይ ወጥ እየሰራው ነው። It's not a big deal, but it's nice because it takes time, a little time out of, you know, taking care of 2 kids at home. Anyways, I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, this is what we love, you know. Ethiopian, we love kaiwat. We at least once or twice we make it in our table, and it's so delicious. It's nice, but you have to work a lot. You have to caramelize the berbere, otherwise it will just, you know, give you a hiccups. So you don't want to do that. So you have to stir, and especially when you begin to cook it, you have to cook it all the way through. Like you have to stir it occasionally, not to burn the onions. So it will come out really good. I mean, the outcome will be very nice. So you have to dedicate your time. You don't have to rest your hands. Like stir, and maybe like cover a little bit, and then but you have to stir again. So yeah, it's going to be nice, you know. But when like it just gets to the point where the pan is like sticking to the onions that you're cooking, then you need to give it a little drop of water. But here I used a little extra olive oil because it was not coming out, like it was not enough for it. So I was giving it occasional stir, and yeah. And you know, you have to turn your fan on the house because the house will be full of delicious food cooking in the house. I used here a little bit of salsa, which is made of garlic and pepper, and it's really good to caramelize the berbere, the hot sauce, so the result will be really good. Oh yeah, it's almost about time to put the combined cut out meat into the pot. I used red meat, which we got it from fresh market, and then I used goat meat with bones in it, so it will have a very delicious flavor. ተመልካቾቼ እህቶቼና ወንድሞቼ በሶሻል ሚዲያ የምትከታተሉኝ በቅርብና በሩቅ ያላችሁ እንዴት ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ? እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን እኔ በጣም ደህና ነኝ። እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ሁላችንም በጣም ደህና ነን። መልካም የአባቶች ቀን ይሁንላችሁ። እንግዲህ ዛሬ የአባቶች ቀን በማስመልከት ቆንጆ ቀይ ወጥ እየሰራው ነው። እንግዲህ ቤት ያፈራውን ጋብዣችኋለሁ። ኢንጆይ። ምንም አይነት ኮሜንት እና ምንም አይነት ደግሞ አስተያየት ካላችሁ የምጨምርበት ነገር ካለ ወይም ደግሞ እንደዚህ ቢሆን ጥሩ ነው ብላችሁ የምትሉት ነገር ካለ let me know ባካችሁ ኮሜንት አድርጉኝ። thank you. And I was using here spices, seasonings like garlic powder, and I was using ginger powder, and what else did I use? Cumin. I used cumin. I used cumin, kororima. I don't know how to say it in English, so ኮረሪማ ጥቁር ቅመም ተጠቅሜያለሁ። ከዛ ደግሞ የዝንጅብል የተፈጨ ተጠቅሜያለሁ። ነጭ ሽንኩርት ተጠቅሜያለሁ የተፈጨ። ከዛም ደግሞ ራሴ ደግሞ ከትፌ ፍሬሽ ነጭ ሽንኩርት ጨምሬበታለሁ በመሃል ላይ ሊወጣ አካባቢ። see, then I used the fresh garlic, and then it will give it very good flavor. And I will use ghee or butter at last to make it really good. Stay tuned, watch all the way through. እዚህ ጋር የተጠቀምኩት እንግዲህ የሀገራችንን የባህላችንን በእንትን ነው፣ ቅቤ ነው። መጀመሪያ ላይ በጣም ለማዘጋጀት ከብዶኝ ነበር። ከኢትዮጵያ ነበር እናቴ የምትልክልኝ። በኋላ ላይ ግን አሁን በቃ ፕሮፌሽናል ሆኛለሁና ኔክስት ታይም እንዴት እንደሚሰራ እኛ እዚህ እንዴት እንደምንሰራ I will make a video. All right. Mamaye? It's about time to the finishing line. It took me about maybe 2 hours to cook this, you know. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe so you can be able to watch all my videos come into your phone or TV, or yeah, you can enjoy what I do. All right, friends and family, thank you. Have a wonderful, happy Father's Day. Wow, it's done. It's done. Woohoo! We're gonna have kaiwat today. Enjoy, friends.